What makes a great cook? Some people may say Michelin stars. That's not true. A great cook makes something deliciously tasty. It's as simple as that. I've said many times in my life, cooking is a philosophy, not a recipe. Unless it's pastry, and then it's chemistry. My philosophy and my belief is keep it simple and allow Mother Nature to be the true artist. I think my favourite is the south of France. I like those sunshine flavours. I always go to Olive Grove. I like the food, it's simple, it's straightforward. Ooh, the standout moment in all those years, I would have to say, was when I arrived in St. Lucia and I went to the Hotel Chocolat. And one of the things I did was I planted a chocolate tree next to Prince Charles's. And then I had the most delicious 6-course chocolate lunch. It doesn't get any better than that.